The Bellroy leather case offers a sophisticated solution for protecting the Galaxy S25 Ultra, blending premium craftsmanship with thoughtful design. As part of Samsung's Design for Samsung program, this case proves that protection doesn't have to mean sacrificing style. Crafted from eco-tanned leather, the case promises more than just basic protection. The premium material develops a unique patina over time, actually improving with age, a hallmark of Bellroy's commitment to quality. Flexible polymer bumpers around the edges provide crucial protection against everyday bumps and scratches, while maintaining an incredibly slim profile that complements the S25 Ultra's premium design. What sets this case apart is its minimalist approach. The clean lines and rounded edges don't just protect the phone, they enhance its natural aesthetic. Unlike bulky alternatives that hide a phone's design, the Bellroy case feels like a natural extension of the device itself. The leather's tactile quality provides an excellent grip, addressing one of the key concerns with such a large smartphone. Bellroy's ethical manufacturing adds another layer of appeal. Designed in their Bells Beach, Australia lab, and produced in facilities committed to social and environmental responsibility, the case reflects the company's B Corp ethos. They've sourced top-grain leather with a gold rating from the Leather Working Group, ensuring both quality and sustainability. The only potential drawback is the price point, which is typical for premium leather cases. However, for those who've invested in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, this case represents a worthy companion that ages gracefully and protects elegantly. For those seeking a case that's more statement than accessory, the Bellroy leather case delivers style, protection, and conscience in one sleek package.